Okay, this is pretty much going to be something pretty quick. It's going to require us to, okay, what we want to do is we want to access a specific directory in command prompt and then run an application. Now, I'm going to do this as generically as possible in the text, but for right here, we're looking at my downloads folder and specifically sysinternals. I'm going to select that. Now there's a lot of things that I want to mess with and experiment with here. So we're going to go in here. Nope. We're going to go in here. And we're going to copy this path because this is essential. I'm going to copy that path. I'm going to minimize this for now. But I am going to go CMD and then run it as an administrator because it's necessary to do so. Now, first step once we're an administrator is we want to change the directory. And this is what you're expecting to see. We're no longer in the C colon or system32 folder, which is normally what I'm defaulted to. Now we're going into the sysinternals folder. There are other versions of Windows where you can just right click on it and you should be able to get a command line admin window right from there. This version does not have that, so we're doing it this way. Now, from there, you could put your like I said, my chosen folder is sysinternals. Now, if I want to actually put in or install something, first thing, let's try, let's see, what do we got? We can look up sysmon, and we can run it, but it's not installed. Now, if we want to run it, this particular application, you do have to install it. So we can do a -I to install it, and then it goes through the process. See, it's installed, and it started. Beautiful. If I wanted to get rid of it, it's pretty much the same thing, but instead, I would do a U bracket force. I believe that's the way it is. And close that bracket. Let's see. You don't install. Well, let's try it just as this. Sysmon stopped and it's been removed, and it's removing the service files. Done. Hopefully this is helpful. Like I said, these are just the broad strokes on installing and uninstalling through the command prompt, or just accessing an application trying to run it through the command prompt if it's a standalone. Hopefully this is helpful in all your projects.